10 ways to increase your hotness. Most of us have the wrong idea about what is good looking. We think that if we had this kind of hair, that body, and the clothing, we would be hot as heck. In all honesty, we couldn't be further from the truth. Being good looking is surprisingly more than just having the right genetics. It is about the attitude and how you treat yourself. For this video, we started examining the hot celebrities, picking them apart, and we discovered that they are far from perfect. What they have is a talent for making us believe that they are super hot. And in this video, we'll give you those tricks that they have so you can also trick people into thinking you're hot. But before we begin, make sure you're subscribed to our channel because we publish new videos every day. And most importantly, we want you to join our community of boss ladies. With that out of the way, let's get started. Number 1. Learn the walk. How you walk says a lot about you. Walking with your head down, making zero eye contact, tells others that you lack self-confidence and it makes you appear unattractive. There are a ton of walking tutorials on YouTube. You can learn how to walk in heels, how to walk with confidence, how to walk like a woman, and how to walk like a runway model. There are so many different types of walks that you will have to decide what image you are trying to give off and choose a walk that matches it. Number 2. Contouring. Contouring is everything in the beauty world. You can contour your face and look like a totally different person. You can contour your chest and create the illusion that you have full boobs. You can even contour your legs to make them appear longer and in shape. It almost seems that there is almost nothing that contour can't change for the better. The only problem is that you have to learn to do it right or you will wind up looking a bit weird. Spend a few days or evenings checking out the contouring videos and practicing different methods on your face. Figure out which method looks best for the shape of your face before you wear it out in public. Number 3. Be positive. When you are in a crabby mood and start saying negative things, you bring everyone around you down, and ultimately no one wants to be around you. They will think you are as unattractive as your attitude. Instead, start learning to just bite your tongue. Don't say mean things and don't put people down. Start being positive. Always look for the brighter side of things and people will flock to you. Everyone wants to feel good about themselves, and if you can dish out the good feelings, people will love you for it. Number 4. Hairstyle. Don't neglect your hair. It is something that everyone notices and you need to have it professionally cut and styled if you want a polished look. Some people say that you have to go to an expensive salon to get a good haircut. We have mixed feelings about this because some of the best haircuts we've seen came from a stylist who worked in a cheap mall salon. It's totally your choice. When you start getting your hair professionally cut, you may have to search around for the right person to do your hair. It is frustrating but well worth the effort in the end. Once you find the perfect hairstylist, get her name and contact info right away. If she ever leaves that salon, you will be able to contact her directly and keep getting your hair done by her. Number 5. Dress the part. We all know that one person who could put on a trash bag and still look hot as heck. We, however, are not one of those people. If we want to look good, we have to dress the part, and you probably do too. Before you begin, think about how you want to look. What image do you want to portray? Check out fashion magazines and choose the looks you like. After you have picked out a style or two, head to your wardrobe and see if you can put together an outfit or two that matches that particular style. If you are really struggling to come up with the look you want, you will probably have to head out to the mall or department store and start buying a piece each paycheck to build up your new look. Number 6. You can fake your confidence. You don't have to be confident to make other people think you are. Just fake it. To help yourself out, choose someone you admire and who oozes confidence. Practice being like her or just pretend that you are her when you go out. Over time, you will adapt the new confidence to your own skin and make it your very own brand of hotness. Number 7. Makeup. Aside from contouring, start wearing makeup. Yes, we know life is so much simpler when you don't have to wear makeup. Women that wear makeup send the signal that they care about how they look. You don't need tons of makeup, but you should use some. Number 8. Use your uniqueness. Everybody has at least one thing about themselves that is unique. It can be something physical, such as unique eyes or being taller than the average woman. Your uniqueness can also be a skill that you have perfected over the years. You might be an app-building genius, or you might knit the warmest sweaters imaginable. Anything that sets you apart from other people can be played up to make you look more attractive. If you don't feel as though there is anything unique about yourself, you can always create something to make yourself stand out. Find a passion and immerse yourself in it. Make it a part of who you are, and you will stand out and be noticed. Number 9. Fix body problems. You do not have to be super skinny to be hot, but you do need to take care of your body. If you have a problem area on your body, such as flabby upper arms or a flabby belly, now is as good a time as any to start working on that area. Don't go insane with a workout schedule that you won't be able to stick to. Instead, start adding a little more exercise to your routine each week. Work your way up to getting about 30 minutes of exercise each day and target your negative areas. Number 10. If all else fails, wear sunglasses. If you just don't have the energy to put on the makeup and put on the attitude facade, your last option is to put on a pair of shades. Sunglasses give off an air of mystery that many people are attracted to. They also hide tired, puffy eyes and draw people away from looking at your bad hair day. Plan on getting 2 to 3 pairs of shades and wear them when you just can't bring yourself to put on the hot roll. The sunglasses will immediately give you the look you want without all the fuss, and as long as you don't have to take them off, you can spend the entire day wearing them and no one will question you on it. Thank you for being a part of Rebela. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. We also handpicked these videos which we recommend you watch next, and we'll see you back tomorrow.